The date is the 10th of July 2025. Time is now 3:50 AM. I've just come outside after sending 11 letters off to the news media in the UK, and the supernatural noises again. It's actually behind me now. I just rushed upstairs because it was really loud over in the west, in the direction of the Birchwood Kingdom Hall of Jehovah's Witnesses. There's a star up there, might be Jupiter, I don't know what that is. It's in the east, that is. I have to go and check that in a minute. You hear the noise? There. I was out about 5 minutes ago and there was real banging, like hammer banging, like a massive hammer banging. The noise is everywhere. It's definitely supernatural. Sign from Jehovah that Watchtower going down on the 3rd of August 2025. I wish it'd get louder again. It's literally all over, the noise. In the direction of the Birchwood Kingdom Hall of Jehovah's Witnesses now. Jehovah's Temple in Jerusalem. As I say, it was absolutely really loud. That's why I rushed upstairs, but it's not quite as loud now. Getting on for 4 o'clock AM. There, look, listen. Oh my God. That is directly the direction of the Birchwood Kingdom Hall of Jehovah's Witnesses. That's loud. That's behind me. Oh my God. What the? Yeah, I'm going to check that star. Probably Venus, or Venus probably is that bright. I would have thought in my experience looking at the stars. That's a really bright star in the east. I'm just going to go out the front, so I'll stop the recording and see if there's any noise out the front.